Hey there, health enthusiasts. Imagine being able to take control of your gut health from the comfort of your home. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is now a reality thanks to a revolutionary home test kit that can detect IBS, cancer, and gut bacteria. So, what's the big deal about this test kit? First off, it's super easy to use. You just need to provide a small stool sample, send it off, and wait for your results to come back. No more endless doctor visits or invasive procedures. It's all about convenience and efficiency. But the real magic lies in what this kit can detect. Let's start with IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, causing symptoms like bloating, cramps, and irregular bowel movements. With this kit, you can identify IBS markers early, giving you a head start in managing your symptoms effectively. Next up, cancer detection. Yes, you heard that right. This kit can help spot early signs of colorectal cancer. Early detection is crucial as it significantly increases the chances of successful treatment. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can catch potential issues before they escalate. And let's not forget about gut bacteria. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a huge role in your overall health. From digestion to immune function, these little guys are important. The test kit analyzes your gut microbiome, giving you a detailed report on the state of your gut health. This information can guide you in making dietary and lifestyle changes to improve your well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how accurate is this test? The researchers behind it have ensured it's backed by scientific rigor and clinical validation, so you can trust the results and take proactive steps towards better health. But remember, while this home test kit is groundbreaking, it's not a replacement for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider to interpret your results and decide on the best course of action. So why wait? Empower yourself with knowledge and take charge of your health today. This home test kit is more than just a tool. It's your partner in achieving optimal gut health. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and updates. Stay healthy and take care.